Hello my fellow foodies, Akwaba and welcome. I hope you're doing wonderfully well. On today's menu, I will be making some peanut soup. So come along and let's get started. This is one of my favorite soups, so I'm very excited to make this video. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so for the soup, I'll be using some hard chicken. So in the blender, I added in some chopped onion, ginger, garlic, rosemary, and anise herb to steam my chicken with. Okay, so here I have my chicken. It's thoroughly washed. So to that, I will add some salt, Maggie Seasoning, then my blended mix. I will give this a good mix, and then on medium heat, I will cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. I won't cook the chicken all the way because it will be added to the soup later on in the cooking process. And beautiful people, if you're enjoying my video, please smash that subscribe button. If you haven't, I would truly appreciate it. So while the chicken cooks in a pan, I will add the essential ingredients, the peanut butter. I believe I used about 1.5 cups of peanut butter. However, my peanut butter is really hard, so with my hands thoroughly washed, I will mash it to get it smooth as possible. So there are several methods to achieve a yummy peanut butter soup. I will use the frying method. So to that, I will add some chopped onions, tomato paste, some powdered pepper, then give it a mix. And I forgot to add some salt, so I added in some salt to taste. I will keep an eye out and stir periodically because this can easily burn. Next, I am checking on the chicken and it's halfway cooked, so I will set it aside and allow the seasonings to incorporate well into the chicken. And guys, all ingredients used will be listed in the description box below if you're intrigued to try this recipe after watching this video. Okay, so here I'm checking on my peanut mixture and it's coming along great. It's starting to get thicker. Here I have it on medium heat. You can go high heat, however you have to stand and continuously stir because it can easily burn. So the oils in the peanut mixture is starting to appear, so this is a good indication that my peanut mixture is almost ready for the soup making process. And guys, be careful here because the mixture starts to splash around as it gets thicker. It only gets easier from here though. So now the peanut mixture is well fried, so I'll now have it added to the chicken. And I also placed the chicken back on the burner to get it ready to receive the peanut mixture. So I will go ahead and rinse my pot with some water, then pour it in. This will determine the thickness of the soup, so you can add more water if needed to reach your desired consistency, but you also have to bear in mind your seasonings and adjust as needed. Okay, so guys, it is important to cook the peanut soup thoroughly to avoid any stomach aches, okay? So on low heat, I will cook the soup for about 25 to 30 minutes, or you see a lot of oils starting to appear on the top of the soup. That will be a good indication your soup is almost ready already. Here I am adding in some more powdered pepper because my family and I love some spiciness. So remember to taste for seasonings and don't taste too much because it's not thoroughly cooked. We're trying to avoid that stomach ache, and add in any seasonings and adjust as needed. I then added in some red chili peppers for some extra heat. This is totally optional though. Okay, so for some more flavor, I added in some blended onions. I will then check the thickness of the soup. I usually like my soup light, so I will go in with some additional water as needed. We'll then continue to leave it on low heat and allow it to do its own thing. And lovelies, if you're still watching to this point and you haven't smashed that subscribe button yet, please do so to show support. I would truly appreciate it. And here we are, lovelies. The oils have settled at the top of the soup, so you know it's ready. My family and I will be enjoying this soup with some plantain fufu. You can pair this deliciousness with banku, rice balls, kinky. It pairs well with almost everything. The peanut soup is very creamy and delicious. That's why it's one of my favorites. So beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed the video and I have intrigued you to try this recipe. Please let me know all about it in the comment section if you do. And please also like and smash that subscribe button if you haven't to let me know you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!